Konnichiwa, kimono wearers. It is into the Nozawa powder we go today. Just discussing whether we're going to ride switch and what buttering moves we'll be doing. D-Light loves the pow pow, nothing holding him back except natural talent. We're coming off Yamabiko A into the powder. Budgie ready to go too. He's got more talent in his little finger than Hot Dog does in his big toe, so work that one out. Keep an eye on Hot Dog in the background. He goes down like a sack of spuds, down to a phantom punch. D-Light going switch, yeah, for about 3 meters. D-Light hot on the heels of Budgie. They've got something planned here. Ooh, and there it is, synchronized stacking. That's a beauty from Budgie. That's base of the board facing the sky. And D-Light found the phantom punch too.
Look out, I get up now.
D-Light getting right back into it. Meanwhile, Budgie is flailing about like a turtle on its back rather than a bird in flight, or at least a budgie on its perch.
Cut.
Yay, he's going again.
Fucking hell.
And Hot Dog finally emerges.
Came up with this fucking idea. I don't know, I can't get up.
I'm sure he thought about helping Budgie. Oh, come on, Budgie, stop fooling around.
Fucking hell, man.
Just as well he has friends to help him out. I don't think so. No friends on a powder day.
Shit.
Eli, meanwhile, is having a jolly good time.
Fuck!
Oh, bloody hell. Can someone help him up?
Oh, fuck.
Eli's loving it. He's actually forgotten he came here with other people. And that's where Hot Dog got to.
I'm gonna have to put us away. We can't.
Hot Dog not boarding the conventional way.
Oh, fucking hell. Same. Holy shit. Oh no.
Don't worry about Hot Dog, they found him the next morning, slightly cold but otherwise okay. He'd advanced a further 3 metres down the hill. Budgie happy to be moving again. Ah, damn. Gotta love these powder days. Didn't ride switch like we talked about, and wasn't much intentional buttering going on either. And just realised we may have lost the rookie somewhere on that slope. He was definitely with us at the start. Anyhow, arigato gozaimasu for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet.